Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing something to the WRX that maybe some of you guys will like, maybe some of you won't. But let me know. I'm gonna do it real quick. I'm gonna unbox. Oh! Alright. Are y'all ready for this? You guys ready? Are you guys ready what I'm gonna do to my WRX? I'm gonna make it into an STI. Now, what are these that I ordered? They're genuine Subaru parts. It's a fog light covers. Ooh. Look at this. So what I got here is the 2018 STI fog light cover. If you guys watch my other videos, put in sea lights. Now with those sea lights, I don't need the operation of my bottom bezel with the blinker. And I think that's kind of weird having 4 blinkers total. So basically what I'm gonna do with this bezel is that I'm gonna delete WRX bezel and replace it with the STI one and take out the little extra blinker that I have for it, so I don't need that. So I think it's gonna give my car a little different look with that. Maybe something unsuspecting, something that you know you just don't see like on the day-to-day thing. One open as well. Like the OEM bezels with the little daily running lights in them by Subaru. They're like $200. These are only $35, and it's by Subaru, and it's an OEM part. So let me get the Subaru in the garage. It's so hot in here. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the OEM one. I don't know, I just never was a fan of this look. I mean, it is kind of cool with the aggressive lines and whatnot. But now that I got these, the sea lights, those are freaking sweet. I have that. Like, I don't need 4 of them. But gotta take off my bumper, it's the very first step. So fast forward to my bumper being taken off. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now that I got the bumper off, I'm gonna show you guys a little something. So this is the whole blinker thing that I'm telling you about that I don't need. And then this is the sea light, whole little conversion that I have that's going on in there. Same with this side. So I got this little sea light, or the blinker that goes into the bezel, and the whole sea light conversion that's going on right here. Gonna pop these out real quick, see how easy that is. Let's see. I'm gonna grab this. This is a 10mm. I believe these are 10mm sockets. Yeah. So this does come out fairly easy. This came out pretty easy as well. I took out the bezel and this, and it's all with these 2 bolts. Yeah, this one connects to the bumper. I'm gonna try and putting in the new one, see how it goes. That's pretty cool. Look at that. I'm already digging it. Wow, that looks so clean. Holy crap, compared to this. Because then I don't need that little blinker. And I'm not planning on putting a fog light in there. So I mean, why not just get the clean STI like bezel look. Fitment is honestly really clean. It matches up perfectly. So if you are debating between the STI bezel and the WRX one, they're exactly the same. I wasn't too worried about fitment issues on this because it is a part that is cheaper rather than spending a big amount of money on a part or worrying about the part fitting. So look at that, that's so clean. And then if I want to, I can always put a fog light in there. So there's that. Look at that, wow. That looks so clean. Just super sleek. Wow, I like it a lot. This install took maybe like 10 minutes to do, 15 minutes. It's so easy. And it really transformed the look of your bumper. It really does. I like it. So now that I have blinkers, I don't need this one. So then just unplug this and then close out the circuit with some electrical tape so I'm not leaving an exposed wire. So I think it should be good. And just wrap it up with the rest of this C-light mechanism. I'm gonna electrical tape this end so it's not like exposed in any way. What is this? Electrical tape sucks. This isn't like the good kind either. There you go. Now it's not exposed. Water can't get into it. There we go. Now I'm just gonna do that to the other side. I'm gonna put the other bezel on and I'm gonna show you what it's like with the front bumper on, and I'll be right back. Yeah. Or I'll give you guys an update when I put the next bezel on. Oh, look how funny this looks. Stormtrooper look going on here. I wonder what it looks like without anything. Ugh, there we go. Dun 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 dun. Holy, that looks so weird. Man, imagine if they made like an air duct version thing. I don't think an air duct for my brakes would work because there's all this stuff in the way. Same with this. I don't know, I've never really looked into it, but they have like for the 15 to 17s, the air duct vents that are carbon fiber. But yeah, I don't know how that'd work with this. And boy, look at that. That looks so sweet. That's awesome. Bumper back on. Alright, here it is. The final product. STI bezel on a WRX. The fitment is maybe like 95% perfect. So there's a little gap right here. But other than that, the fitment is perfect on this. Why would I take out my blinker? Now, if you haven't already seen in the beginning of the video, I do have blinkers right there. Deleted my blinker from the bezel, and now I have my blinkers in my headlights. I think this is a pretty cool little change up that I want to do to a WRX. I don't think it's anything as severe as putting an STI wing on a WRX. I just wanted to change the little bezels. Let me know. Comment down below. Tell me, is this the same thing as putting an STI wing on a WRX, or is it not? You just like the bezels from the STIs rather than what comes on the base model WRX. I believe the base model WRX is the only one that comes with the blinkers that are down below rather than in the headlight. A plus for me that if you guys have a base model WRX, I got the Dynamics C lights, took out the blinkers from the bezel, switched out to the STI bezel, did a blinker delete down there, and now with the switchback lights up here, I have all the low beam, high beam, blinkers, ambers, daily running lights, everything. It's all right here. I have nothing going on in the bezels. So it is a little easier to install because there's no wiring or any of that stuff that you have to do. And personally, I believe that it's cleaner with just only blinkers in the headlights instead of having 4 total. If you guys like this video, if you guys like that little change up, then let me know. Comment down below, subscribe, share this with your friends if you have any other ideas or changes that I should do to my car. Comment down below, just let me know. And follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, And until next time, guys, peace out, stay positive. These LED lights, shout out to the homie, follow his Instagram. If you guys want to see me, I go to Seabad Cars, usually every Saturday, to check out my car, and that's where I met him. He gave me these lights. I highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna put them in right now. I don't know why, but this is just so satisfying right now. Like taking these out, like, boop. Watch. Boop. Boop. Oh, got one more. Woo. You know what this is, right? You guys already know what this is. Try to guess. Come on, something's coming off. Weight reduction! Back in the car. Not weight reduction. How do I get to those? Oh, right here. So I do have these LED ones in, but this is from like back in the day with my Cruise, and they're not that bright. Look at the comparison between the two. Holy crap, like this. Yo, look at that. Pretty dope. Now I gotta make sure they work, because sometimes you have to turn them, so check first, guys. Look at that. This one's on, that one's not, so. Reverse the polarity by turning it, plugging it in the other way. There you go. And then you check. Look at that. They're both on. And voila! New license plate lights. Alright guys, see ya!